Good afternoon, Southwest Florida. I'm Bri Walling. This Naples Herald Lunch Break is sponsored by our friends at Fusillo Kia of Cape Coral. This afternoon, we'll tell you about the flu taking over Southwest Florida, tell you about a few places to watch the Super Bowl this Sunday, and more. Today is Friday, February 2nd, and this is the Lunch Break. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says flu season may be reaching its peak in Florida, as last week marked the highest number of outbreaks in the cycle. Collier and Lee counties were designated as some of the areas with the highest number of outbreaks. Flu activity increased for a third week in a row, making it more active than the highest peaks of previous seasons. Deaths due to pneumonia and influenza are slightly higher than normal this year. With 2 confirmed pediatric deaths this week, the total of Florida children who have died of the flu rises to 5. With the frequency of new flu cases spiking in Southwest Florida, supplies of the popular prescription treatment Tamiflu have fluctuated. Generic versions of the drug have run out at a number of local pharmacies, and the brand name version can cost as much as $300 for those on certain health plans. Lee Health temporarily banned children under 12 from visiting their hospitals earlier this month. While flu season may be at its peak, health officials are still urging residents to get vaccinated, especially the elderly or children who are the most likely to succumb to the virus's symptoms. State and local officials continue to work toward plans to grapple with the opioid epidemic spreading throughout Southwest Florida and the nation. In 2016, the last year of fully available data from the Florida Medical Examiner, more than 5,700 people died in the state due to an opiate-related overdose, up 35% from 2015. Fentanyl, a synthetic form of heroin, is especially dangerous as it has a very low lethal dose, and such potency can cause issues for police and first responders from as much as inadvertently touching the substance. Officials are trying to work towards solutions. The Florida legislature is considering $53 million worth of funding that goes towards efforts to combat the issue, and legislation to limit the length of prescriptions to reduce the odds of dependency are also in the works. But it's not an easy fix. At both the state and federal levels, opioid overdoses and abuses have been called public health emergencies, and the Florida Highway Patrol announced in January that they were starting to distribute Narcan, a drug meant to reverse the side effects of an overdose, to their troopers, and plan to have it across the state by the end of February. Whether you're a fan of the Patriots or the Eagles, or if you're just looking for a place to watch the Super Bowl on Sunday, there are several local bars and restaurants that are hosting special watch parties this weekend. If you're in Cape Coral and are a Patriots fan, head over to the Nevermind Awesome Bar and Eatery for the big game. The New England Patriots Fan Club of Southwest Florida is hosting this one for all friends and fans. Fort Myers Eagles fans have an official hangout at Turtini's attached to the Gator Lanes. A local Eagles fan club is hosting with food and drink specials. Or Fort Myers Brewing will also be showing the game on multiple projection screens and will have food truck specials and drink runs throughout the game. A Pats fan in Naples? Check out the Foxborough for the local Patriot scene, complete with food and drink specials. Inside seats are pre-reserved, but outside is open the entire game and will have tents set up. For Eagles fans in Naples, check out South Street Oven and Grill. The restaurant will be having a special Philadelphia-themed menu. And for those planning to stay home for the game, PDQ is having a buy one get one platter on chicken tenders for the game, but be sure to order ahead of time. And that was the lunch break for today. I'm Bri Walling. For your twice daily news fix, head over to the Naples Herald YouTube channel and subscribe. Leave us a comment to let us know your thoughts on the news or what you would like to hear about. The lunch break airs Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. right here at NaplesHerald.com. And don't forget to check out our morning report that also airs Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday.